Hi there, in this video we are going to look at how to create vectors in Python using NumPy library. So first of all, let's import the library NumPy. Import NumPy as NP, where NP is a convention of LES which is used for NumPy. So now let's create a vector. Basically, the NumPy library is the main data structure of the NumPy library is n-dimensional arrays. So for creating a vector, we just have to create a one-dimensional array. So let's begin np.array, and then we have to specify the list here to create an array. So now if I print the vector, oh my bad, this is NumPy. So this is, we get a vector. Now let's suppose we want to create a column vector. This is a row vector. Now let's say we want to create a column vector as we have a column vector in linear algebra. So we can create that way. Vector underscore, let's give it a name col as a column vector, then again np.array, and then I'm gonna pass it this way. Maybe let's give it 4 this time, and if I print the vector, I can get a column vector. So this is the way of creating vectors in Python. See you in the next video.